Hello guys, this is Manu. I'm back with another video. This video I'm showcasing two dentures, a chrome maxillary chrome denture with 6 teeth, and I've done a bit of gum tinting on the facial, and a little bit on the back, but mostly the facial. So and bit of staining on the anteriors. And at the same time I did another, it's an implant retained maxillary horseshoe shaped denture, so I did a gum tinting on that. Now this design is old design. I didn't do it, it's just how it came to me, and I was told to do a bit of gum tinting to make it look like natural teeth, but I have had a chat with the patient, so when she comes in or anything goes wrong with this denture, it breaks or anything, then we are going to do the denture the right way, not this acrylic and few gold clips and mesh. We'll do a better decent design. So anyhow, getting back to gum tinting, so I've used Optiglaze with this case, and it's a paint on composite pigments, and all I've done is just color a bit on the pink and a bit of staining on the centrals and laterals and canines, a bit on the posteriors. So you can see a bit of darker areas at the cervical margin. Because these teeth are too wide, I would rather refrain from doing extensive staining on the teeth unless I have to make translucencies and crack lines and all those things and hypocalcified tissue. So I haven't done too much on the teeth, but mostly the gum tinting is on the pink of the denture. The patient has a high smile line, and she shows a lot of gums. So when I do the try-in and first issue, I'll show you, I'll share some pictures of the patient. So please do comment and like and share this video, and do comment about what you would like me to talk more about in relation to gum tinting with Optiglaze. If you want me to make a video of how I characterize my dentures, please comment, and we'll make a video. So I would appreciate if you would like, comment and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends, like-minded people, and in a way that we all learn from each other. From your comments I'll learn, and from whatever skill I have, I will share to help you get up to speed. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your time.